Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series. Lesson number 74, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, today I am going to show you what is Python dictionary. Okay. Now, basically guys, dictionaries are used to store data values in a pair. Okay, values are stored in a pair like 1 and 2 and then a pair. Basically a dictionary is a collection which is unordered. That means it's not ordered, it's totally unordered. Okay, which is basically changeable and does not allow any duplicates. You cannot have duplicate strings inside that. Dictionaries are written with a curly bracket. Do you remember I showed you in the previous lessons? Curly bracket, okay, and have keys and values. Let me show you a code. I can just show some quick example with a code and you will get an idea what it is. Alright guys, I am logged into my Jetson Nano and I'm on my terminal. Let's take a look. Alright, let's create a new file. So what do we have to do to create a new Python file? We need to open the IDE which is residing inside Jetson Nano, right? So what we got to do? Nano, and I'm going to say dictionary.py. Let's give a short name, dict.py. Okay. All right, I am into my Nano now. Let me give you an example of dictionary, how to create. Let me show you how to create a dictionary first, right? This dictionary, this dict, okay, that's a short name, equals to, and then you got to open a curly bracket. Now let us create some multiple say values inside. How do we create? Say brand, open quote and closed quote, is to, and then what is the brand? Say let's say Ford car, okay, and then comma. Let's create another value, say model, with a open double quote and a open and a closed double quote, is to, that is the colon. And say which model of Ford, say Mustang, okay, and then comma, let's give another parameter, say any value, year of manufacturing. Oops, I need to put a double quote. Guys, syntaxes are very important. Year, okay, is to which year? Say 1965. All right, okay, now let me close the curly bracket. All right, I have closed it. Now let's say print this dict, okay. Now let's print this date. Now what do we do to save it? Let's say Control O, enter, Control X, and then we got to execute our Python file in the IDE, Python 3 dict.py. Boom, there you go. Can you see that in a curly bracket? So this is basically a dictionary which you created. It's a very basic example of creating a dictionary. All right guys, in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to modify, update and stuff like that in the dictionary, and that's going to give you a very good insight about Python dictionary. All right, until then, see you, and do please like and subscribe to my channel and give a comment below. I'm going to get back to you soon.